you guys know that there has technically been an undeclared pandemic raging
Yes.
since 2022? It's avian flu.
Yeah.
It was first detected in Europe in 2022, moved over here. It's infected birds. It's infected cattle. There was a big cat sanctuary that had to put down a bunch of tigers and cheetahs and stuff. Since 2022, they have slaughtered 145 million birds, which I don't even know how you do that. Like, we were talking about a couple weeks ago about the difficulty of slaughtering 400 ostriches. How do you kill a million of anything, let alone 145 million?